Good morning, children. I'm Manu teacher. I hope you remember me. Last week I had taken model science and I'm your model science teacher. And last week the topic was prayer. So this week it is about manners, good manners, about table manners. So you have to follow table manners. Some people in India or around the world, they like to squat on the floor, put a carpet and have their meals. Some like to eat at the dining table. So when we are eating, what we should do? First we should thank God. Second thing what we should do? We should respect food. Why we should respect food? Because mommy and daddy have worked so hard for that food to come on the table. So what we should do? You have to follow certain manners. You cannot be fighting at the table. You cannot be yelling at the table. You cannot be chewing loudly. You cannot cry. So you have to follow certain rules and regulations which are called as table manners. See, you have today's topic is what? Table manners. See, you cannot eat with your mouth and take big bites. Followed? You should eat neatly, slowly. Everything is yours. Okay? Then what you should do? You should not keep shouting and screaming. You should not keep shouting and screaming. You should eat neatly. Then what you should do? See, you should eat neatly. You should adjust your fork and spoon according to your plate. You should not spill everything on the table. Then see, you should eat happily. Whatever's on your table, you should eat happily. Then see, here, you should sit with your family. You should share your happiness. Enjoy your food. So and then what you should do? See, you should not play with the food. That is not a playing thing. Food is to eat, not to play, not to throw, not to act funny. See here. Then when you're eating a burger, what will happen? Then you should not spill it down on the table. See, all the sauce is falling. You're messing the table. You should eat neatly. See, you should not scream and make a scene that you're eating something special. You should eat quietly and neatly and behave yourself. Then what you should do? See how he is opening his mouth so big. All the germs are going plus the food is going. So you should eat with your mouth neatly. No making noise while eating. While chewing, no making noise. Okay? See, you have to respect food. Because food is come on your table with the hard work of mommy and daddy. So what you should do? First you should eat your food. Then what you should do? Then you can go to your video games. You cannot be playing games on your cell phone and then be eating. That is bad manners. You have to respect food. First you should eat. Then you can go to your cell phone. Okay? See, suppose you have a cat at home. What will you do? You should keep the cat and the dog in their places. You cannot keep them on your lap when you are drinking your juice or milk. This is a bad habit. It's bad manners. Why? Because the hair of these animals may go into your milk or your drinks. Okay, you should keep them away. This is bad. Okay, then what you should do? You should be happy. See this girl, how happy she's enjoying her food. Like that, you should always be happy of what you're eating. Then, see how the children in your school are eating. All can you see? Everyone has got a smile here. So, you should be so happy. Alright? Then what you should do? You should eat neatly. Can you see these children? Did they throw any food down? How neatly they are eating? Did they put food on their uniforms? No. So that is manners. You have to follow manners. You should not be disgusted. You should enjoy food. Always you should think that in the world so many children are crying for food. They are not getting food on the table. So you cannot act mad. Can you sit on the table like this and eat? Can you drink your milk? That is bad manners. You have to follow good table manners. And then what will happen? Can you grab the food and eat like this? Nobody is going to pull the food from you. It is your share. It is your share. You should enjoy your food. Nobody is going to snatch it away from you. So see, you should not make faces. You should not make faces. So you should not feel disgusted. You should not say that is bad food because mommy and daddy have worked hard. Followed? Now see, if you want anything, you should tell daddy. You should not cry. Daddy, please serve me that. Please give me that. So you should ask daddy. You should not cry. Okay? See, daddy is serving you. And when daddy is serving you, what you should do? You should say, thank you daddy. That is manners. Follow? Then you should thank. See, we should not fight. At the table or when you're sitting on the floor to eat, you should not fight. You know who fights? Animals fight. We are not animals. Are we animals? No, we are human beings. So you should eat peacefully. That is good manners. See, this cat is angry while eating. See, can you see this dog? It is fighting. It is angry. Are we dogs or cats? No. We are who? We are human beings. So we should be pleased while eating. See, you should not cry. Mummy is serving yogurt, so you should enjoy your meal. You should not cry. So when you cry, what will happen? The food will not go to your body. You will become sick. Then what will happen? See how he is eating. Should not spill all the grains and the vegetables. See the milk. See, can you mess your mouth? No, that is not good table manners. You should eat neatly. See, in India, see how all love to sit and eat so neatly. See, are they spilling food anywhere down? So systematically, so neatly, they are enjoying their food. Can you see? Different cultures, different religions. See how neatly they are eating. They are respecting the food because they have worked hard for the food. Followed? So we have to follow these manners. When daddy gives something, serves you, you should say thank you. When you want something, you should say, may I. When daddy thanks you, you should say, you're welcome. Then you should tell, Mummy, I appreciate your hard work. You cooked the whole day for me. It's so nice of you. Then you should say, thank you, Mummy. And then when you throw things down, what you should say, I'm sorry, Mummy. Next time I will not do. Excuse me, Mummy, please. So we always use these good manners words at the table. So we have to follow these good table manners. Okay? For all this, we have to thank God because He is giving everything to us. So children, today's topic, hope you have understood that we have to follow table manners because we have to respect food. We have to respect our mummy and daddy. They have worked hard for it. It has not come easily on the table. So you have to be thankful. You have to use good words. You have to eat slowly. You should not make noise and all these things. Now what you are going to do? You are going to follow all these rules when you start your next meal. And everyone, when you follow these good manners, what will happen? Everybody will start liking, hey, this boy, this girl has got very good manners. So they'll start liking you. Then you will be the best child in the class. You will be the best child in the family. You will be the best child in the whole city. Okay children, hope you enjoyed my class, and I hope when you go home, think about all these rules, all these manners, and teach your little sisters and little brothers how to behave at the table. Okay, enjoy your day. Thank you so much.